Now the news in detail. Utah's agitation turned violent at Bali on Wednesday. They blocked the railway track and national highway at Bali for almost 10 hours. Government tried to resolve the issue but failed as some of the agitators were not in a mood to listen to the government. Agitators stormed shops and vehicles and also police vehicles at Bali. They burnt many vehicles. Later, MLA Ramesh Tavadkar was assaulted in a clash between Balikars and Utah activists. The situation at Bali was tense till late night on Wednesday.
The agitation by Utah, which was restricted to public meetings and press conferences, turned violent on Wednesday. Thousands of people from Bali and Cancun marched to the streets under the banner of Utah on Wednesday morning. The railway station at Bali and the national highway was blocked by the agitators. There was intense stone pelting and tree cutting to block the road. Roads were blocked for over 10 hours. Government tried resolving the issue but was not successful. A meeting was held at Kunkare police station between delegation of Utah, Chief Secretary and Tribal Minister Philip Neri Rodriguez. Agitators were ready to take back the agitation after this meeting. They also cleared rail routes at around 3 p.m. But the agitation turned violent at time of clearing NH17. Activists assaulted police personnel. They burned vehicle of deputy collector and stoned police vehicles. They stoned shops and vehicles at Bali. Balikars got furious over this move by the agitators. They in turn burned vehicles of Utah activists. Leader of Utah MLA Ramesh Tavadkar was also assaulted by people of Bali. He has suffered severe injuries. Adarsh Krishi Society of Utah President Prakash Vahe was also targeted. Police cleared the roads, but the situation was tense at Bali till late in the evening between Balikars and the activists. Police force was deployed at Bali in the evening. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath says that government has agreed to most of the demands of Utah. However, government has no powers to fulfill some of their demands.
हांवें सांगलें मरे हांवें तांकां सांगलें तांचे थोडे डिमांड आसा ते हांव मीट करपाक शकना माय गव्हर्मेंट इज नो जुडी फॉर एग्जांपल दे आर आस्किंग फॉर 5 seats रिजर्व I have no authority to give commitment also. Backlog vacancies, some of the departments have already overnight जायना न्ही ते आतां पळय इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटान कितलेशे junior engineer calls मागयल्या पळय 25 or 35 all are belonging to ST community. That means steps have been initiated to fill up the backlog of vacancies, but overnight it cannot be done.
A reporter from Cancun and Bali, Samir Bhatt, Mayur Naik and Babesh Borkar.
It's English everywhere. The Congress-led government of Goa has finally taken a decision on medium of instruction issue. The ruling formation headed by CM Digambar Kamath has decided to allow English medium in all primary schools. Government primary schools and government-aided schools will be allowed to start English medium. Unaided English medium schools will also get grants. But cabinet remained divided over the issue. Sudhin Daulikar, Babu Asgaonkar and Nilkant Halankar opposed the decision.
An issue of utmost importance for all the Goans. One of the fiercest agitation in Goa's history and a divided cabinet. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath ruled in favor of English amidst tremendous pressure and clash of views. A solution was arrived at in a cabinet meeting in ministerial block at Porvorim, and favors were granted to English as medium of instruction. This is what government came out with. Government's medium formula: permission to English medium in aided schools, choice of medium in government primary schools, and grants to unaided primary schools. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath has said that government has given choice to parents, and those who want to send their children to Konkani or Marathi medium school can do it even now.
आणि ज्या पेरंट्साक दिसता की खरेंच आपल्या भुरग्यांक मराठीन कोंकणीन शिकोवचें ताका कोण आडावपाक शकना. What we are trying to give is Right to Education Act is very clear. It says that primary education shall be in mother tongue as far म्हणजे practical as far as possible अशें आहा तें. Rule 6 says of the education, Goa education rules also says that mother tongue shall be as far as practicable, the primary education shall be as far as practicable in mother tongue unless parents insist. What we are giving here is an option to the parents to choose the medium of instruction, because they are not going to close down the Konkani or Marathi medium schools. These are in addition. If parents ask for some this, they will have to start the English division. They will manage within the given staff. As far as aided schools are concerned, non-aided schools are concerned, we have said those who opt for Konkani Marathi as a compulsory subject, those who want to have minimum infrastructure under the education rules, their government will think of giving them some grants, so that parents do not have to pay for the fees. This is the basic thing.
Interestingly, government has allowed English medium in government primary school, which was not demanded even by force or any other pro-English organization.
The government shall also open English medium divisions in government primary schools if parents of these schools express their need in writing. हाका लागून आज सगळे कडेन अशी परिस्थिती आसा की प्रत्येक मनशाक दिसता आनी तातल्या हातून गरीब मनशाक दिसता की I am deprived of English.
Government has come out with certain initiatives while taking this decision. Konkani or Marathi compulsory till standard 10th, English teacher in government primary schools, Konkani or Marathi subject compulsory in unaided English schools. Importantly, there is division in cabinet on this issue. Panchayat Minister Babu Asgaonkar, Transport Minister Sudhin Dhawlikar and Tourism Minister Nilkan Hankar have opposed this decision.
बाबू निळकंठ आणि हांव सुरवाती पासून ओपोज आसा आनी आमी सांगलां की आमची जी भाशा आसा त्यो काबार जातल्यो आनी त्या खातीर हें करचें न्हय.
जे गोंयकारपण आमचें जें टिकलेलें कोंकणी खातीर, कळ्ळें तुका, म्हाका दिसता ती कोंकणी काबार जाली, कळ्ळें तुका. पण हांवें एक सजेशन दवरलां, हर एक गरीब भुरगो इंग्लीश शिकचो. आमकां इंग्लिशाचे विरोध काय आमी नात, पण आमचें गोंयकारपण उरपा जाय, ती कोंकणी उरची.
Constitutional experts are of the opinion that if ministers disagree with the cabinet decision, then they should resign in protest, as cabinet decision is always considered as unanimous.
सगळी ही रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जी आसा ती कलेक्टिव्ह रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी असता सगळ्या मंत्र्यांची एकत्रित, आणि ते पसत एक मंत्री म्हणू शकना की आपण तो निर्णयात सामील जावंक ना म्हणून. जर तो ताका दिसता जायत की आपल्याक तो निर्णय मान्य ना म्हणून, जाल्यार ताणें मंत्रिमंडळांतल्यान राजीनामा दिवपाचो असता.
Mixed reaction are coming from all quarters of the state on this issue. The supporters of English are jubilant, whereas proponents of regional languages have called it a black day in Goa's history. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalists Sunny Narvekar and Devendra Gaukar.
Government for English. Finally, Congress has made their stand clear on Wednesday over the medium of instruction issue in the state. Some are happy with it, whereas some have called it a black day. Reactions are pouring in from all sections of the society.
Status quo will be maintained during the assembly session, we had said, but now...
So now the policy change of the government, no? So the stand of the government changed.
Doesn't become the, contempt of the...
That you ask them only, no? You ask the assembly speaker, I think he'll be the person to get it.
कोंकणी कांयच कमीपणां सारकें आहा. कोणा जाय तें कोंकणी शिकपाची, कोणा जाय तें मराठी शिकपाची, कोणा जाय तें इंग्लीश शिकपाची. कांयच कोणाक फाल्ट केलें ना. आनी तेजे भायर आमी रिजनल सांबाळपाक 1+1 to 10 कंपल्सरी केल्या.
नो रिएक्शन नो रिएक्शन
अनएडेड स्कुलांक गावता
ते कांयच ना. ते सेमा विचारलें तुका सेमान तुका सगळें सांगलां.
तुमचें कितें वैयक्तीक कितें मत आसा?
वैयक्तीक ना कॅबिनेट मिटींग डिसिजन जाला.
रिजनल लँग्वेजीसांक डॅमेज काय जावचें ना?
हां हां ना ना हां कितें रे तूं सेमा कडेन विचार मात हे
अल्टिमेटली कितें आसा पेरंट्सांक तांचो चॉयस मेवला. सो चॉयस मेवप म्हणल्यार पेरंट्साक तेमची हक मेवता. सो ताका लागून आमी सगळे खुशाल आसात आनी आमचें गोंयचें सुदारप जातलें आनी इंडियाचें सुदारप जातलें म्हूण आमी आशा दवरता.
बाबू निळखंड आनी हांव सुरवाती पासून ओपोज आसा आनी आमी सांगलां की आमची जी भाशा आसा त्यो काबार जातल्यो आनी त्या खातीर हें करचें न्हय. इज अ फॅक्ट दॅट मगो पक्ष हो बहुजन समाजाचो पक्ष आसा आनी मराठी कोंकणी ही त्याची भाशा आसा आनी त्या खातीर ह्या मराठी कोंकणीक मुखार व्हरपा खातीर कितें करपाक जाय हें आमी करीत रावतले.
जे लोक मागणी करता आमकां तुमी श्रीमंत लोकूच कित्याक इंग्लीश स्कुलांत तुमच्या भुरग्यांक घालता. आमकां गरिबांक चॉयस दिया. आमी तेंचे वडील आमकां डिसायड करून दी. आमी आमचो निर्णय घेतात तांकां कोंकणी स्कुलां घालपाचें, मराठी स्कुलान घालपाचें काय इंग्लीश स्कुलान घालपाचें. आमी इंग्लीश आतां मिडियम गव्हर्मेंट एडेड स्कूल इंग्लीश मिडियम जे आसा तांकां आमी आज ग्रांट दिवन आमी अशें सांगू ना कोंकणी स्कुलान तुमी घालपाचें बंद करा, मराठी स्कुलान तुमी घालपाचें बंद करा, पयले ते चवथी आमी अशें सांगू ना. आमी आवय बापूयचेर वा पेरंट्स जे आमी म्हणटा गार्डियन जे म्हणटा तेंचेर आमी हें उपलब्ध केल्लें आसा.
अतिशय चुकीचो आनी घातक तांणी निर्णय घेतला. हो आमच्या गोंयच्या हिताचो न्ही. आनी हय म्हणजे ती संस्कृती जी गोंयची संस्कृती आसा आनी ताका मारून उडयतात.
इंग्रजी माध्यमाच्या शाळांक ग्रँट दिवपाची भुमिका घेतली आसत जाल्यार गोंयच्या भवितव्याच्या दृश्टीन गोंयच्या फुडल्या पिळयेच्या दृश्टीन अत्यंत दुर्दैवी आनी आत्मघातकी निर्णय असो हांव ह्या निर्णयाचो उल्लेख करीन.
Both has given me a very clear assurance in the assembly that status quo will be maintained. Based on that assurance, the assembly has passed the education funds or demands. If he had said that he has any different idea, we would have opposed the demand by voting it, and we wanted to know who is going to vote in support of the current dilemma they are creating.
A reporter Basuri Desai with video journalist Devendra Gaukar for Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.